In the village of Jajurayanahalli, a teacher of government school Y. Ravi noticed that the school needed a new signboard. Unfortunately, there was no workers available and the villagers could not help. Ravi did not give up and decided to take the matters into his own hands. With the help of his students, he personally installed the board. Despite the challenges, their teamwork and determination got the job done, turning a simple task into a meaningful achievement. Ravi's initiative inspired everyone around him, showing that with effort and collaboration, anything is possible.